trying to get Rose together and get her inspected finally. It's been a couple of years since.
What?
She ain't, listen. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. We've been doing this. We've been driving around and trying to get everything together with her. You know, listen, that's how life is. Sometimes it takes a long time to get stuff together. But never let that stop you from completing your goal and completing your missions, right? So, like, see, got the big girl. You know what I'm saying? Listen, she's filthy, but we're gonna get her back together. But yeah. Oh, look, we got a special guest. We got a special guest out here, guys. So, oh man.
Hi.
It's Queen with a capital Q, y'all. Damn. But yeah. So she got the carbon. She already started modding this thing. Got the carbon fibre wing on here. You know what I'm saying? And this guy in here. Today we are at the muffler shop, about to put the big girl on the lift, and we'll be back. But shout out to Half Price Mufflers. We out here getting it done, getting it looked at. This amazing artwork in here. So this is all car parts, right?
They're on the other side. All car.
Wow. Guys, so we're showing you a little bit of the artwork, and this is amazing. So this is all made from metal and parts. I'll just show you a little, never forget, show you a little bit of this, run through. This is amazing, guys. I like stuff like this. I like the technical stuff. You know me, I'm a weirdo. I like the technical part of stuff and things and cars and how things work. That's just how I, do things. But yeah, wow. Beautiful stuff. Get this bumper. As I remember, like I told you, I really want to put an exhaust on here. I really want to put dual exhaust in there. There's two mufflers coming out of here. So you see right here how I got the one, cut these out, and have a dual come back. Oh man. Yeah, she's not pretty under there, but we'll get it together. Got a lot of work ahead of us. Oh man, a lot of work ahead of us. See, it's getting a code for catalyst. That's why I wouldn't, cause this is just on with clamps. Like, I don't know. Ain't nothing leaking though, so that's a good thing. The charcoal canister is good. I remember on Marge we had to fix that. All right, car repair on the go. So, got the exhaust fixed. So, those who don't know. So, you put the key to the on position. Clear the codes real quick. This little thing came in handy, man. I'm just gonna read the codes. That was a code before. We're just gonna erase it. Okay. So, I'm gonna erase it and I'll turn it off. It's gone. And Queen had a good idea of taking a picture of the mileage.
The next day. The next day.
bad.